Hello people, so today we will solve to daily question 1404, that is number of steps to reduce a number in binary representation to 1, and in this will be the number binary representation of an integer as a string s, and we will to return the number of steps to reduce it to 1 under the following rules. Okay, and if the current number is even, so we have to divide it by 2, and if the current number is odd, we have to add 1 to it. Okay, and it is guaranteed that it will reach 1. Mm, and it is like it just says that we are not having a 0 instead. Okay, and okay, for example, in this case, we are having uh, sorry about that. Okay, so in this we are having s is equal to 1101, which is the number I guess 8 and 4 12, and this is 13. Okay, so this corresponds to 13 in the binary representation. Okay, and as 13 is odd, so we'll add one. So these are the steps that which we will have to follow. Okay, so for this, let's have first the steps variable that is initially 0, and then what we'll do, we'll have a carry variable instead, carry equal to 0. Okay, then what I'll be checking is I'll be using a for loop, because as we know that binary representation starts from the right end. So for int I equal to s dot length minus 1, sorry for that, and should be greater than 0, not greater than or equal to, because we are not considering the last bit. Okay, and let's say that's the carry bit only, and for this we'll be using a if, that if s dot char at I minus 0 plus my carry is equal to 1. So in this case what I'll be doing is I'll be setting my carry is equal to 1, and I'll be increasing my answer by one step. Otherwise I'll just have to increase my answer by one step. In this case, if the if condition happens, my answer will be increasing by 2, because we have to add 1 and then reduce it by 2. So this is for that thing. Okay, otherwise I'll just have to add 1 into my answer. Reducing, we are considering that we are dividing it by 2 in every step, and this is just the case when we are adding 1 to it. Okay, and at the end I have to return steps plus carry. Okay, this is not the answer variable, my bad. I have to, yeah, steps. Now let's run it. Okay, it expected okay, my bad. Now let's run it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. It's taking a bit long to get accepted. Yeah, okay, yeah, and works person. Okay, yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for watching.